In this video, we'll be learning about a purchase request amendment. So, what is purchase request amendment? Purchase request amendment means modifying or updating an already created and approved purchase request in an ERP system. It is done when there is a change in requirement after the original PR that has been raised. So, this is termed to be as your purchase request amendment. This slide consists of the amendment details which you are going to do it on our screen. So it holds your item ID, item description, UIM with a balanced quantity, a new quantity which you are going to enter it up which of 150, and so the unit cost that's of 690. So let me show you how you are going to get onto the login page and how you are going to do an amendment in our ERP system. Click on this print icon, a report will get generated of your purchase request amendment. So let's go on look up the status at our purchase request, whether the new quantity has been displayed up there. For that, move on to your purchase request. At purchase and at transaction, you have your purchase request. Give a search by entering your PR number. Since we searched it on line wise, the display was at line wise. So here we have a rim, that's the item which we have chosen. And so this is our new quantity, that's of pending quantity, which has been updated to 150. And this is how you will be doing your purchase request amendment. Thank you for watching.